I was at the bus stop recently with my 5-year-old twins. My son turned to me and said, "Mum, the world's falling apart." And I wondered what he meant by that because of the way the world is recently. And he pointed at the road and said, "Mum, look, it's falling apart. It's full of holes." And that's just the thing, isn't it? So many aspects of our lives at the minute just feel like they're not working as they should be. And since I've had children, I see the world completely differently. And I wonder what type of future we're giving them. And I wonder what type of world they're growing up in.
I was out knocking doors the other day and I knocked on this one door and a woman answered and we got talking and she just sighed and she said to me, "I'm doing everything right and I still can't keep up. Bills going up, cost of living going up, everything just feels harder." And you hear that again and again on every door. People aren't asking for the world, they just want things to feel fair and manageable.
I often talk to people who want to start something. They want to open a shop, grow a business, build something here. But the first question that comes to mind is, where do I even begin? Where do I start? The support just isn't there as it should be, but things could be different. We've got the ideas, we've got the talent here. All we need now is the backing here to make it happen.
And then there's the NHS. Everyone has a story, waiting months, sometimes years, just to be seen. It's that uncertainty which gets people down. Because when you're worried about your health, nothing else matters. And people deserve more than that.
I was born here, raised here, and I'm choosing to raise my family here because there is just something about our people, our communities, about Cymru. It matters. It really matters. And I refuse to believe this is as good as it gets. I want young people to feel that they can stay here, build their lives here, and that they're hopeful and confident. And I refuse to believe this is as good as it gets for us. That's why I'm standing as a Plaid Cymru candidate in the Senedd elections on May the 7th.
We can build something stronger here. A place where businesses actually have a chance to grow, where people can have decent, fair, well-paid jobs and a good life.
When you don't have to worry about waiting and you get the care that you deserve.
A future where things work for the people who live here, where Wales isn't treated as an afterthought, where hope wins over hate. That's what a vote for Plaid Cymru means.
Life in Wales shouldn't feel this hard, but for too many people, it does. It's getting hard to keep up with the cost of living. Waiting too long to see a doctor. Despite all our resources and potential, Wales isn't getting a fair deal from Westminster. But change is possible. Plaid Cymru is offering new leadership with bold plans to give Wales a stronger voice and change our country for the better. We'll cut NHS waiting times, investing in more staff, in new surgical hubs and modern care so people get treated quicker. We'll support families and help them with the cost of living crisis with a universal childcare offer worth £30,000 for every child between 9 months and 4 years old, putting money back in families' pockets and giving every child a good start in life. We'll create good, well-paid jobs through our new development agency, backing Welsh businesses and revitalising our town centres. And we'll always stand up for Wales, making the case for the fair funding and powers we need to unlock our full potential. In this election, the choice couldn't be clearer. Time is up for Labour. Only Plaid Cymru can offer the positive change that Wales needs, and only Plaid Cymru can stop reform and the damage they would cause. So vote for hope and vote Plaid Cymru on May the 7th.